Hi guys, welcome to a day of eating carnivore. Let's start with breakfast. We will use 3 eggs. I beat them really well. Add a pinch of salt and mix again. Now, put the beaten eggs aside and put a frying pan on the heat. Fry 5 thin slices of bacon. Mine were 30 grams or 1 ounce. Fry them until they become as crispy as you like. I really like them crunchy. Remove them from the pan, but leave the fat there. Add a cube of butter, 15 grams, to the pan, then pour the eggs. Stir continuously with a spatula to prevent the eggs from browning. Continue cooking over medium-low heat, folding and stirring the eggs every few seconds. For a soft, creamy scramble, stop when the eggs are mostly set, but a little liquid egg remains. And this is breakfast. It will keep you full for hours. For lunch, I had a box of sardines and a cup of pickle juice. They are pickled in brine, lacto-fermented, full of probiotics and much-needed minerals. It helps a lot with digestion. At dinner, I served 250 grams of beef. The equivalent in ounces is 8.8 ounces. I let the meat rest for 10 minutes. In a well-heated pan, greased with tallow, I fried the meat for about 3 minutes on each side. I added plenty of salt. At the end, I added 25 grams of butter. Then I let the steak rest for 5 minutes. This steak melts in your mouth. This was my carnivore day of eating. The meals were very tasty and filling. I really enjoy them. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.